What's going on, traders? It's Aaron Jordan FX, aka Dada FX, and today I'm going to be reviewing possibly the most traded forex pair in the market, Euro USD. Now, where is this headed? What I'm going to be doing is doing a multi-time frame analysis and looking at some order flow. Okay, so just getting right into it, what I want to start off with is the order flow. This is the commitment of traders report, and specifically, this is the commitments of traders legacy report, focusing mainly on the non-commercial side of things. And this is what the hedge funds are doing in the market. So what we have down here is the Euro COT, commitments of traders, and all these pairs are traded against the United States dollar, just to keep in mind. So what I want to point out here, getting right into it, is since the beginning of the year, there's been a massive amount of long positions added. Each week there's been long positions added, and in fact, January 12th, there was a lot of shorts taken off. So from this perspective, you could see that price could possibly be going to the upside. As far as euro goes, there's a lot of strength in the euro dollar. Okay, in the most recent report, you could see that there was 1,500 longs and 312 shorts closed. And overall, for euro, there's over 200,000 longs and only 72,000 shorts. So getting right back into it for Euro USD, you can see that there was, on a monthly time frame, there was a strong impulse to the upside, a retracement, strong impulse to the upside, and now it's retracing. The first thing I'm seeing here is this level right here that was broken, right? We can see that there was rejection here, and this played as a strong resistance, and it now possibly could be turned as a support. And as you know, any prior resistance could be turned support and vice versa. So more importantly, if we measure this retracement right here and take our Fibonacci and go from the swing low to the swing high, I'm going to zoom in for you guys so you can clearly see this. You can see that price is right at the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, and it's in confluence with this previous resistance that we just noted, right? So we can see that there may be some type of communication between these candles right in this area. So let's take this down to a weekly time frame. The first thing I'm seeing is this double bottom. I see this double bottom right here. I see a strong impulse to the upside and this pullback into the zone that we've just marked off and noted on the monthly time frame. Now, obviously, this isn't enough. We would like to see price react in this zone and show some bullish movement and shift from a bearish environment to a bullish environment for us to even consider taking a long. Now, this is just a weekly. I only take my trades on 4-hour and lower time frames. So one thing I do want to note is clearly the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo is still to the upside. It's green. Senko span B is flat. Senko span A is to the upside. And forgive me if I got them mixed up. I know if it's a red, it's probably the opposite. But going on a daily, what we can see is that clearly price has broken structure. It's made lower lows and lower highs. I'm sure a lot of people are shorting this pair. Now, keep in mind, we already know from an order flow perspective, the big banks, what these guys are doing, they're loading up on long. So we can expect price at some point to react and shoot up to the upside, right? So it would only make sense for price to be driven down to this area, so the market can grab some liquidity in this area and make a move to the upside. Now, it might not be this area. It might be even lower, but this is what I'm eyeing right now. And this is why I'm going to be taking this down to a 4-hour and really monitoring price action in this area to see what price may do. And I'll only be considering taking a long, possibly next week or maybe even today. I'm not too sure. I highly doubt today. But I'll be considering taking a long when I see this trend line break. When I see, now, forgive me, I do not mean I'm just going to take a long if this trend line breaks, but these are confluences. I'm just giving you examples of what I'd be looking for. I'd be looking for my MACD to be crossing to the upside, above the zero line. It's under the zero line right now, showing that price is still in a bearish environment. And obviously, I'd like to see price printing higher highs and higher lows. Now, lastly, I would like to see price above my 2 EMAs, which I don't have present right now, but obviously you would know that any EMAs you have here price would be under. It's just melting down. So I really do feel like this is an area where orders could be filled to make a move to the upside. Now, that's overall what I have for Euro USD. I hope you do enjoy the video and you got something out of it. Please let me know your thoughts below, and I will be seeing you next week.